The gift of learning is your greatest gift in life. It is the secret to being limitless. Learning takes you closer to the path of transformation. But do you know the best teacher in your life? Is it a book or any other object? It's your mistakes. They teach you more than what you can expect and make you a stronger, smarter person. But that only happens when you learn from your mistakes. Learning comes from all directions. You get value from your good and bad experiences, other people's mistakes, YouTube, and many other sources. So the scope for growth is always high. Life gets boring when we follow the same repetitive path. It gets frustrating when we don't add a new flavor of excitement. The twist in the story comes from the attitude of learning. Whenever you decide to upgrade yourself, you make a silent commitment of change. A change that you deserve. It may not be visible today, but you will experience the difference someday. So don't worry about the results and follow the process. Life is nothing but the most reputed school. The teachers are everywhere. The student is you. So don't hesitate to get better, because that's how you become a new you, a strong you. Every successful person made learning the weapon of transformation. They started from zero and are now playing the game of hero. How is that possible without learning from mistakes? Your learning attitude decides where you reach in life. Either you stay within the same boundary or you break the limits and unlock a new level. There are two things to do right now. 1. Throw away the worries as they have nothing to improve. 2. Absorb more life lessons as they have everything to give. Learn from everything and worry about nothing, and you will have no regrets in life. Thank you guys. I hope you found this Mind Soother episode helpful. I'm sorry for any background noise. I'm just trying to be consistent with my content. If you found this helpful, you can share it with your friends for a mind-relaxing experience. And we have a playlist for you so that you can get a complete learning experience in a positive manner. Let life shine bright. Thank you.